everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. We are opening up a Chic beauty box. This is a bi-monthly beauty subscription, and I haven't peeked inside here yet, but one of the items came outside of the box, and that's what I'm like so excited about. We're gonna look at that last, but this is such a fun subscription to get. I love that it's bi-monthly. It gives you time to use the items inside. So it's a beauty subscription. You get beauty items, makeup, and it's based on a profile. So when you subscribe, which is $34.99 every other month, you let them know like your skin tone, your eye color, and other preferences you have. So you get the details about yourself and then your preferences. So it is customized, which is amazing. And I just have been loving it. It's the only beauty subscription I get at the moment, and I could use some inspiration. I didn't, like every day I barely put on anything. I wear like tinted moisturizers, some eyebrow gel, like a little bit of blush or something, you know? So I really get inspired by this box, and I really want to get into makeup again. Now it's not like sweaty weather in Florida. It's actually like sweater weather today. It's like high 60s right now. I think it'll get up to 73 today, but sweater weather in Florida means I can wear, you know, a little bit more makeup and not just sweat it off. So I'm super excited to see this today. I think I'm rambling on too long. I will link this down below. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or affiliated. I'm truly so grateful for this, but yeah, and grateful for you guys. Thank you for being here. Let's get started. So I'm gonna open it up. There's like some wrapping and a little card here, and on the back it'll tell you the items inside. So this is the November-December box. Ooh, what's that? I think there's a skincare item. I'm excited about that. I really want to step up my skincare game too. So let's start with that. This looks really cool. Exfoliate and Glow by Revlon. Look at that. When I first saw this, I thought it was just like cotton balls. I'm like, what is that for? Removing makeup? No, it's an exfoliator. I was just thinking that I haven't exfoliated my skin. I ran out of like physical exfoliant and any AHAs or anything like that, chemical exfoliants. I don't even have any body exfoliants at this time, but now I have a cleansing brush, which will double as an exfoliator. So let's see, what does it say? Oh, it's double-sided. Revlon's double-sided cleansing brush has both a super soft bristle head and exfoliating silicone pad to cleanse your skin. Use with your favorite cleanser. Easy to hold for full control. Latex free. So let's see, how do you open this? I haven't talked all day, so I feel like I'm like off right now. I like did my workouts and meditated, and I'm showered. Now I'm filming. I'm like, I still feel like I'm in that like Zen state, but this is gonna pump me up for sure. This is so cool. Ooh, this is really soft. Oh my God, I love that. So we have this side here, and then, oh my God, I'm excited. So how does it work? Do we, oh, so we just, you don't press a button or anything. Okay, so you just use your hand to do it. Oh my God, I can't get over how soft this is. So this seems like it would be fine even for sensitive skin. This is pretty soft too, but a little bit harder. Cool. I'm excited about this, honestly. I haven't used a skincare tool like this in a while. And I've never used one that's as soft as this. I wish you guys could feel so soft. So this is $16.79. Cool. I like the mix of products we get in here. We get like brand names we know. Like usually there's like one like something you can get CVS, drugstore brand. And yeah, we get about 5 items every month, by the way. And again, sorry, I'm like off my game right now, but I'm like super excited. Let's keep going. We have okay, we have drugstore, now we have NARS. We have NARS Precision Lip Liner in pork rollers, poker rolls? Pork rolls. Is it Spanish? I don't know. Let's look at the color because I don't know what it means by that. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be a pretty color. I use lip liner all the time. Look, I put a little lip liner on and then I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do a little swatch. This will be fun. And it seems really smooth. It like came out really easily. This is pretty. Next time I do my makeup, I'm gonna use this. I'll have to film. Yeah, and I won't just do my basic neutrals. So this This NARS Cosmetics Precision Lip Liner is $24. So we already got our value from the box for the first 2 items. Let's move on to the next item. It looks so cute. What is this? Retro Liner by Gavisi. So I find out about new brands too. That's what I meant. I didn't finish my sentence before. We have like drugstore brand name and like indie brands or brands I at least haven't heard of before. Look how cute this is. There's like a little roller skate there. Gavisi Beauty. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It says on here cruelty free. Gavisi Beauty Retro Liners, $12. Ooh, and I have mine in the shade Marigold. And was it the last box or 2 boxes ago we got a brush that was for liner? Ooh. Let's see if I can get some on one of my fingers, maybe. No, I think this is one. Maybe you can, yeah, actually you can see a little gold there. Oh, cool, yeah. I was gonna say, I wonder if this is one you need to activate, but no, and you can probably just use this all over your lid if you wanted to. You guys see that? Hopefully. Cool. I like this. This is a shade I would use. Ooh, for like a goddess look, like with gold tones. Yes. Love that. And then the last thing that's in the box is by Bare Minerals. Nice. The Mineralist Hydro Smoothing Lipstick in Wisdom. I like the name of that. So this is, oh, there's, okay, so this is $22. Again, you fill out a profile when you subscribe, so they list a bunch of things here, so they pack your box based on your profile. Ooh, I like this compact. This is what it looks like. This is pretty. It kind of goes well with my nails. Let's see. Ooh, I like this. Okay, so I'm going to switch up my looks lately. Should I put a little bit of this on now? This is easier to put on than the lip liner. I'm using my phone that I'm filming on. It's very comfortable. I can't really tell if I put it on right. Oh, I think I love it. This is fun. And it's not like too much. Right there it looks like maybe be a little bright. I think it looks good. Oh, I'm excited about this. Yay, wisdom. All right, so that was everything that came inside the box. And then the thing that came outside the box, you guys, this is like genius and is pumping me up to do my makeup. This is by Ace Beauty. This is Paletopoly, bringing the fun back in makeup. This is a makeup game. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me read about it. Create endless combinations of makeup looks and have a blast doing it. You get one 24 color palette, 24 shade cards, a notepad and 2 pencils, and instructions. Okay, I haven't looked on the inside yet. Let's get it open. So I was thinking, I haven't done a live stream in a while, and I don't even know if anyone would be interested, but wouldn't this be fun to do on a live stream? And then I was thinking, I haven't like hung out online or like in general with Southern Mom, Nikki, and she hasn't been on YouTube in a while. What if we can talk her into doing a live with me? We can, and then you guys watching too, we can all do our makeup together, because you know, you can use any palette, I'm sure. But let's see if I can get this open. Do you guys think that's a fun idea? So, Asia's Beauty for All. Beauty for All. And then here are the instructions, and then it looks like there's the palette, but let's look at this first. Oh my god, this is so fun. I love games. I don't know if you guys know that. I do. Okay, so I'm gonna read from here. This is so fun. So the goal, it's time to let your makeup guard down and reminisce about the days when makeup was all about having fun. Yes. Paletopoly is bringing back the fun into makeup and living in the moment rather than stressing about whether or not your makeup matches today's unattainable standard of perfection. The goal of the game is to create a limitless amount of looks that will push you to step outside of your comfort zone while still having fun. I love that. The idea behind this is great. So, solo player, getting started, shuffle the cards and lay each card face down in any order. You guys know I love to shuffle cards and use cards. If you don't, I'm a tarot reader, and I've been playing cards like forever, poker and stuff too. But anyways, let's play. Turn any 2 cards over, picture side up, flip 1 card at a time. Cards must be completely flipped over. The goal is to get a matching pair of cards. Oh, so it's, okay. So when you match a pair of cards, then you just wait. Yeah, so when you match you match 2 cards, that is the winning shade that you use. The winning shade is determined by the card with the higher card value in the matching pair. The winning shade's name and card value are then written on the player's notepad. So the crease will be the winning shade, followed by the under or outer corner will be winning shade 2. The lid will be winning shade 3, the inner corner winning shade 4, and the lower lash line winning shade 5. Wow, I have not used 5 different shades on my lid, and I don't even know how long. Trophy icon. If the matching pair contains a card with a trophy icon, and the card with the trophy icon is the winning card, except when paired with card value 2. A miss. So if the 2 cards are not identical, the player misses. Okay, so that game is over when all 5 winning shades have been determined. It's now time to take the challenge. Okay. And then 2 or more players, it talks about everything too. So I still don't get how you win. I guess it's just fun. It just helps you pick out the colors. But let's see. So winning shade and card value. So the trophy cards, I guess. When everybody has identified all 5 winning shades, the game is ended. Only then can everyone proceed to the challenge. Challenge time. Add the values of all 5 winning cards together to get your total score. Oh, okay. There's score values, card value numbers, so that you pick out your shades and then the cards have value on them, so you can become the winner with whoever has the highest total score. If a tie occurs, cross out the current lower lash line winning shade and card value from the notebook. Okay. Cool. This is fun. Okay, let's look at... Sorry if I made that confusing. So here are like the cards you fill out. Oh, well, this tells you how to do it. Get to know your eye. Oh my god, this is so fun. So any level could do this. So it shows you that. And then here is a notepad where you fill out everything here. So it's so cute too. We had fun. And then here are the cards, and then there's 2 cute pink pencils in there to use. And it like has the shade names on there. Let's see if I can get this open without, do I have scissors around? Let's see if my, I want to look at the palette. But this is all of the names on there. Okay, we're just going to use this pen and hope I don't get any color on there, but it's okay. We'll probably get makeup on the cards anyways, right? It's all fun. It's all good. Oh, I just broke the pen. Okay, never mind. We can't get this open right now, but this is what the cards look like. Grungy, and it says card value 1. Okay, so let's look at this. Yay! This palette, Opoly palette, aims at bringing the fun back in makeup. It has a variety of colors and will have you gasping at the unending combinations of looks that you can create with. It features 24 stunning shades with mattes that blend like a dream in ultra sparkly duochrome and shimmer shades. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. I always love their palettes. I'm excited to see what this is. I can't believe my pen just like popped off like that. Wrapped up really nice. I love how this looks, like 90s or 80s, I don't know. Ooh, there's a full mirror. Hey guys. Wow, these are cute. Oh my gosh, okay. So we have some bright colors. Look at this green. I love that. This whole row. I'm like, yes, all of it though. Oh my god, this looks so fun. There is a wide array of colors. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I like that color of Vogue. So the green I like is Ninja Turtle. Let's do a little swatch. Oh my god, so smooth. What? Oh my gosh. How fun. Oh my god, I never wear like different colors like this. As if. Material Girl VHS. Yeah, this is supposed to be like 90s. This is awesome. Walkman, Purple Rain, Boy Band, Queen, Fanny Pack, Macarena. This will be so fun. Digital Pet. Oh my god. I will miss that. Let's swatch one more. Let's do slime, just because I'm really into the greens right now. Ooh, yeah. But think about literally endless amount of looks here. So who wants to do this with me? I know you guys have palettes at home. You guys, or maybe you have this box too. And Nikki, if you're watching, will you do a live stream with me? I think that'll be so fun. So let me know if you guys are interested. I think this is so fun. Oh, I just miss getting all dirty with makeup, you know, covered in makeup. It's so fun. So yeah, think about all the looks you can make, how that will look. That'll be so fun. So let me tell you quick what the other items are. And that is $49. I'm so excited about it. It's so fun. I want to get the cards open, but it just says all the shade names and then the card values. So like the first one was grungy. That's, you know, so right down here. So it has all the shade names. So you could have gotten a Cab Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette, which is $52. I'm so glad. I'm sure it's great, but I'm so glad I got the Paleopoly. I'm so pumped about it. But $52, wow. You could have gotten a Bare Minerals Mineralist High, oh wait, that's what I got. Bare Minerals Luxe Performance Brush for $32. A NYX Cosmetics High Definition Blush, $9.99. Or CoverGirl Super Stunner Hyper Glow Highlighter for $7. I'm really happy with everything I got, but this game is by far the winner for me. I'm so excited about this. I mean, hopefully I'll have you guys or someone to do it with. Someone, you know, but otherwise I'll do it by myself. I'm looking around, I'm like, I'm excited about everything. The lip liner and the lipstick. Oh yeah, I like that too a lot. I like everything, so yay. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you are well. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment. Do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.